Hello and welcome to this video on how to earn money by watching videos. In today's digital age, there are numerous websites that offer you the opportunity to earn money just by watching videos. In this video, we will discuss some legitimate websites that you can use to earn some extra cash. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular websites that offer rewards for watching videos. It has a vast range of videos, including entertainment, news, and sports. You earn points for each video you watch, and these points can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another website that pays you to watch videos. It has a massive library of videos, including movie trailers, news clips, and product reviews. You earn cash for each video you watch, and you can also earn additional cash by completing surveys or playing games on the website. 3. Vindale Research. Vindale Research is a website that pays you to watch videos and also offers paid surveys. You earn cash for watching videos and completing surveys, and you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal. 4. Perk TV. Perk TV is an app that you can download on your smartphone or tablet. You earn points for watching videos on the app, and you can redeem these points for cash or gift cards. Perk TV has a variety of videos, including movie trailers, news clips, and sports highlights. 5. App Trailers. App Trailers is another app that pays you to watch videos. You earn points for watching trailers of different apps, and you can redeem these points for cash or gift cards. App Trailers is available for both Android and iOS devices. In conclusion, there are many legitimate websites and apps that offer you the opportunity to earn money just by watching videos. These websites and apps can be a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. So, start watching videos and start earning money today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts or any suggestions for future videos. And if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload.